Hi, my name's Mary. I'm a makeup artist at Follain, and I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick under eye brightening trick using some concealer. So typically for your under eye concealer, what you're going to want to do is actually apply a color that's a shade darker rather than lighter. If you go too light, it's actually going to ghost underneath your eye. You're going to look like you have this like floating white area underneath. As you go darker, it color corrects and neutralizes what you're trying to hide, and then leaves you with more of an even tone underneath. So you can see here, you're just applying right in this area, and once it's applied, just gently blend. And you might also want to just pop a little bit of color right on this inside part here. And so then you have a little bit underneath with concealer and then a little without.